Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Unity moment. Okay, so I wanted to give like 3 announcements. First, I want to thank you all for doing the quarantine DIYs. Thank you so much. I'm receiving the pictures, and as time go on, I will add some of y'all pictures to the videos. Okay, the first thing I want to say is, if y'all looked at my earring of the week that I uploaded yesterday, I'm having a sale on Goddess Stencil set and my Unity Afrocentric Trace Stencil Sheet 1. So let me show y'all one of them. So this is the Goddess Stencil set. So you get 7 stencils. Let me turn that around. You get 7 stencils. Y'all can use them as y'all please. Do I got her twice? No. So you get 7 stencils. Regular price is $65. These are on sale for $35 for a limited time. So you get these stencils. And the thing is, when y'all working with these stencils, y'all could do so much. Y'all could take her face, put it with her hijab. Y'all could take her afro. Like, this would be dope. Like, take her afro. Y'all could take her afro and put it with, you see right there, like, take her afro and put it with her face. You could do so much with these stencils. You got to get really creative. So the thing about them, what will come with them is a piece of carbon paper, and directions will come with this Goddess set. And when you're using my trace stencils, make sure you, before you start on the foundation, if you're going to use wood or whatever you're going to use, make sure you get a piece of paper and practice before you do that. And once if you go look at some of the videos that I done did on the trace stencils, you can see how I did it. Some links up on a note up here, and y'all go check those out. It's very easy to use these. So these are on sale $35 for a limited time. I'll go to K.Noir Designs and get this Goddess set that's on sale. Another thing that I have on sale is at K.Noir Designs is my Unity Afrocentric Trace Stencil. Yeah, 15 different stencils on here. If y'all look, I did some earrings with the Unbothered Queen, and I used her, but you could put her. I got another thing I'm gonna use her on, because I did some custom stencils for a sister, which I'm gonna do a video on. If you want to get some stencils custom specifically for you, no one will have that design. So if y'all interested in that, just hit me up on the email. But I'll do a video soon and I'll explain. So you got the Africa, you got the drum, you got the fist, you got this beautiful lady here, the G Naime, you got the Ankh, the balance, you got like the Egyptian or Hebrew woman, and you got King Tut, you got the word queen, you got a beautiful queen holding a basket. So you'll get all these, and that regular price is $125. These are on sale for $65 for the whole sheet. So this just what I print from. This is where you're gonna get, but I've been using this to show you how to use them. So I did do the drum. It's a video to show you what I created from the drum and the fist. So you can cut them out, or you can leave it as a sheet. But you got the Encoh. I don't think I said you got an Africa. You got the word Unity. You got the word Queen down here. So you will get this on this paper. Then you'll also get a sheet of carbon paper that comes with it. The next one I'm going to do is probably an Africa. And then this one. These will be the next 2 I'm going to do. I'm going to show y'all just a little process of how what I'm going to make. And then we'll go all the way down to, we'll finish this whole sheet. So I just wanted to say, yeah, so these are on sale. The Goddess set, and these 2. Now the single ones that's on there are not on sale. So I do have 3 more single stencils that's coming up. So y'all look out for them on K.Noir Designs. So which the Lock Goddess will be one. I'm having a raffle on these. This is the Lock Goddess. And she's so fly, right? Y'all see her? Y'all see how beautiful she is? So I'm doing one of the quarantine DIY videos, she will be the next one. I'll be showing y'all step by step how to draw her, freehand draw her. Won't be showing y'all this, but we'll be showing y'all her, and y'all can put her on both pairs. Also, I have a raffle going on. You can win this pair of Lock Goddess earrings, and these are so fly. Y'all see them? You can win this pair of Lock Goddess earrings that you can send $5 to the Cash App across the screen or to the PayPal link across the screen, and it will also be in the description box. This DIY for the Lock Goddess will be up this coming week, so y'all look out for that. And I want to thank you all for participating in the quarantine DIY series. I have more beautiful designs that I'm going to be showing y'all. So this is the next one for the quarantine DIY, and she will also be made a stencil because some people don't like doing the DIYs. They want to do it quickly, so the stencil will be made for her. The DIY is coming up for her, and you can win this particular pair of earrings valued at $45. It has carpet jewelry fixtures, and it also has sterling silver hooks. And this is the back of them. Yeah, so you can be a part of the raffle. So the ones that already send thank you, yeah, so you can be a part of the raffle and you can win this pair of earrings. And these are ready to ship. So as soon as the DIY comes out, the next, probably like a couple of days after that, I will announce who won this pair of earrings. So the next thing I want to share with y'all, if y'all been watching me for a long time, I used to always share the books that I'm reading, and I'll put a note up here so y'all can check out some of the ones that I spoke about already. The books that I'm reading many books. I'm reading many books, but these are two that I shared with a couple of people. I received these probably like January of this year. Could have been December. This prophet was interesting to me because when I seen this book that I'm finna show y'all, it said that he was Ethiopian, and in my bloodline I have Ethiopian, I have Hebrew, I have Kemetic, I have everything in me. So, but this one really set on me because my mom always told us we was Ethiopian growing up. So if y'all haven't seen my DNA results, go to the link up here. Y'all can see my DNA results, which it said I had Kenyan in me, but that's close to Ethiopia. But I'm going by, I could take the Kenyan, but I'm going by what my mom told me growing up. She always said that we had Ethiopian in us. So this is a book that I'm reading. It's called Enoch, the Ethiopian. And when I do research, I always try to get more than one book to get, and then what I do, I kind of take and kind of see the connection of the different writers. So this book have to be by looking at the name, it gotta be a brother. The artwork is beautiful. I have a line of earrings that's coming out, which I shared with a couple of people. And it's going to be prophets of the Holy Scriptures and women of the Holy Scriptures. Hagar is one that I'm really connected to. Yeah, so this is a book that I'm reading, and I will put the link in the description box if y'all want to read along with me. The next one is another book that I got on Enoch. I haven't started yet, but it looks like a easy read. A book like this, to be honest, I could read a book like this in a day. But usually when I take my breaks from creating, I will pick up a book and read. So if y'all want to read along with me, that would be dope. All right, so these are the two books, and I'll try to put that in some of my Unity moments when I'm reading. I did receive 2 other books. I was going to share with y'all those 2, but I'm gonna want to read a little bit more, and then we could just talk about it. So yeah, so these are 2 of the books that I'm reading. Well, that I'm gonna start reading. Like I said, I received these like January or December of 2019, January of this year. And I haven't had time to really get into him, so I'm gonna start, because when I create him, I want him to be I wanted, you know, because I have a connection. It's just the name too. When I hear that name, it just does. Because I named my son Esau. I named my cat Ewok. It's the thing with me and certain names like Enoch. It's just a dope name. All right, so I wanted to share that with y'all. You know what? I can show y'all the other 2 books I'm reading. I have many books I'm reading at a time, but I did start on these. So this book is called Warrior Goddess Training. This is the workbook, and then this is the book. And this book is really good. To me, it's interesting. So if y'all want to read along with me, y'all can, I'll put these links in the description box, and then we can talk about it. Also put a note up here, and y'all can click on some of the books that I talked about before. All right, y'all got to get to work. I do have a big Black Business Spotlight haul, and then I do have some regular Black Business Spotlights. I wanted to kind of wait to, it was my goal to do them July, August. You know, because once Corona started, I didn't know if it would have been a good idea. I didn't know, but I noticed online people are doing really good since the Corona. I know I am. I have a big Black Business Spotlight haul coming up with some dope stuff. I also have a collaboration with 4 other dope hand-painted earring artists. Not a person that just say they making earrings and they don't have a passion, but these women, I know them from different levels. So that video should be coming up this week. It was something that I had been working on since April. So now I think it's time to bring it out. And I hope y'all enjoy that video. So look out for that. All right, so if y'all want to be featured on Black Business Spotlight, y'all can send an email to here. I got that since that incident with that opportunist. A lot of people was emailing me. It was like, Unity, you're going to stop doing Black Business Spotlights? I've been doing Black Business Spotlights for years. No, I'm not going to stop doing Black Business Spotlights. I'm still going to do Black Business Spotlights. I learned if one situation happened, you don't take that to other people, because I have done many Black Business Spotlights and I have had a great time, you know. But y'all gonna enjoy this one I got. It's a haul. So let me just say this. I understand a lot of times, only thing I charge for Black Business Spotlight, it used to be $35. It's literally, I think it was $25. It's literally $55. But if you send products, I gotta ship that out. So I'm not really making money from when you send that money, because most of the time I'm using the majority of that money to ship out the items if you send a gift. So I'm mainly doing this as a service. You know, I have to edit, I have to go through all this, time consuming. So that's why a lot of times I ask y'all to donate to the channel. $1. I got almost 6,000 subscribers. You could just donate $1. You know, and I'm giving free tutorials. So at a time that a lot of times people don't have nothing to do. So the Black Business Spotlights are very reasonable. But I do one Black Business Spotlight for free, where you don't have to send me nothing, because I understand businesses is just starting, and Black businesses ain't getting no loans from no bank. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I do. But what I'm going to do now for the free Black Business Spotlight, I don't have none available to mainly January of next 2021. So for the free ones, all of them will be in a haul instead of just a spotlight by itself, because it takes so much time. So all the ones that like, if you hit me up and you say, you know, I want to do a Black Business Spotlight, but I can't afford the $55, you literally, I can do a free one, but like I say, I'm booked to January 21st. Which I'm not going to take any on until December. I want to see how everything's going. So I already got Black Business Spotlights until this, you know, till the end of the year. But if you want to just do a regular Black Business Spotlight, I have some slots available. But for the free one, I don't have none available until January the 21st, which I'm not putting no one in that spot right now, because I want to see how the year is going to go in. Yeah. So if you're interested in doing a Black Business Spotlight, just send me an email and I'll send you the information. All right, y'all. I think that's all I got to say. All right, y'all. Salam. And watch out for the Lock Goddess DIY. It's coming up. All right. Salam, salam.